Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is Binomial Theorem. This JEE Main question was asked in 2020, 23 and 25. Here we have to find the remainder when 64 to the power 64 to the power 64 is divided by 7. This question is on divisibility and remainders. Using binomial theorem or basic modular arithmetic to find remainders of massive exponents such as these here is a quick scoring and heavily repeated topic. The solution to this problem is simple. We will start by dividing the base 64 by 7. That will give us 7 9s are 63 plus 1, where this 1 is the remainder. In modular arithmetic, this means 64 equals 1 modulo 7, which means when 64 is divided by 7 leaves remainder 1. This also means that any positive integer power of 64 to the power a positive integer gives 1 modulo 7. In this case 64 power 64 will be 1 modulo 7, which also follows 64 power 64 equals 1 modulo 7. Hence, the correct answer option here is A, 1, this one here. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.